In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix slow sensitivity in Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are struggling with slow or too fast sensitivity, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix all the issues attributed to it. So first, inside of the game, before you actually start a match, go over to the menu and access the settings. In here, there will be plenty of categories at the top, and what you have to do is find the option to change the sensitivity. So if you are playing using a mouse, it is going to be under mouse and keyboard. If you are playing using a controller, you will be able to find it under the controller settings instead. For this video, I'm going to focus on mouse and keyboard. In here is where you will be able to change the sensitivity. Changing the sensitivity in-game is always recommended instead of changing it outside of the game itself. This is because changing it here is going to make sure that all of the changes are reflected immediately and you will be able to notice the difference. So you will have plenty of categories to change the sensitivity for. You can change the sensitivity for targeting, scoping, building, and editing individually. You will also be able to change the horizontal and vertical sensitivity differently. So for example, if you want to look up and down super fast, just bump up the y-axis, and if you want to look left or right super slow to be precise, just lower the x-axis. As long as you do the settings this way, you will be able to control it according to your personal preferences. Now, I don't actually play Fortnite, I'm not a good player, so I won't be able to give you tips on what you should do. To my knowledge, keeping it relatively low is better, so you can be a lot precise with your aim and movements. Besides this, something else that you can do is open the software for any mouse that you have. A lot of mice nowadays have custom software. If you go over to the performance tab, as you can see on this Razer mouse that I have, I will be able to change the sensitivity from here as well. It's very important that you choose a DPI and you make sure that your polling rate is as high as possible, but try not to go too far if you have a wireless mouse, or else you are going to drain its battery way too fast. As long as you set the DPI using the My software and you set the sensitivity in-game, you will be good to go. If you feel too slow, bump both of these up, and you can even bump these ones for building and editing past 100% to make sure that they scale a lot more. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix slow sensitivity in Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.